this is probably the best advice you can have, is to, one, appreciate your gifts for what it gives you. And like, right away, if something's not the right choice, right away, if you meet someone and they got bad juju energy, like if they're not the right match, like you feel it right away. And so you have this gift more than other people. And that's the gift. And then knowing how to go, I'm on the light switch on, and now I'm turning it off. And so you kind of have to ask for your gifts to be quieted. Like it's almost as if you're taking your crown chakra and kind of closing it up for the night. I had to do this for many years because I would pick up on everything. Even in the nighttime, I would get um, uh, psychic attacks and things. And so they would come into my dreams, and I'd be like, why am I dreaming this? Like, it doesn't make any sense when I'm awake, because I was in control when I was awake, but it was integrating into my nighttime dreams because I was still wide open. And so until I had one of my mentors who's like, envision your head like a daisy flower or a lotus flower that's wide open, and just close it, just like the dandelion. And dandelions are honestly my favorite metaphor to use, is because we see it. It's wide open yellow during the day. And then what happens when it gets dark? It closes up. And then when the sun comes out again, it opens. And so this is a really lovely thing if you're getting intrusive dreams. And you can use this metaphor too when if you want to be off, just envisioning, I'm closing it up. And it's not that you're disconnected from divine. You can still envision one cord thread that goes all the way to divine source energy, so that you're still connected. You're just not available to feel into, see everything, all of the things that so happens as we progress in our spiritual journey. The more we develop our spiritual gifts, we also need to know how to regulate it. When do I want to be on and when do I want to be off, right? We have awareness and intention to our practice. That the awareness is, I need to be able to regulate, so I'm not always picking up on everyone's stuff. And then the second part is, okay, where's the intention? And you can do so much with intention. Energy follows intention. And so if the intention is to wash your hands and let go, and that's the ritual, that will work, right?
Yeah.
If the intention is in the session to, if anything releases during the session, that it goes to the earth, then that's the intention, so we can set ourselves up for really amazing healing work where we don't have to necessarily take on other people's stuff.